We are at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco, room 504. Beautiful hallways. Let's take a look. We enter this elegant room. Immediately to the right is this closet. We'll double back to the closet in a sec. Let's go into this room. Quite lovely. You've got your seating area here. You got your entertainment station. You got a desk. And this particular room has this view of the city. They look great. They look comfortable. And I would say that this place looks pretty clean and actually pretty new, which, given the decor of the hotel, I didn't expect, but it looks pretty good. All right. Let's go to the restroom. The restroom is right over here. Also, pretty big. Just given rooms in cities like San Francisco, I did not expect this restroom to be so large. But it is, and it's nice. Start from the top here, give you a view of all of this. It all works. The toilet is new. It is a Toto toilet, as you can see right there. They have amenities, some glasses for you, some soap. Looks like their partnership is with Rose 31 for their lotions and soaps, shampoos and conditioners. Let's take a look at this shower. I tested it out earlier. It gets hot very fast, which is great. You've got your shower head here. Seems decent. Your Rose 31 items, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And it is, in fact, a tub. Just like this. All right, that's the bathroom. Let's exit back into the room itself. Looking good, looking good. You have this nice chandelier. High ceilings with what you'll see is these rounded corners, which gives it a lot of personality. All right, let's go into this closet. Impressive. It is a walk-in closet. A walk-in closet, just like that. You have an ironing board, which is missing from some hotels these days. You also have a steamer. And an iron. And a safe. And some robes. What's behind this door? Okay. Nothing really, it's just some extra space. Okay. And then a mirror here behind the door. And one thing that you haven't seen as well is, or maybe you have, this mirror right here. So this huge walk-in closet. And I'm just gonna pan up so you can see what's above us here. Looks a bit like a utility area because if I swing around, you'll see all of this. That's okay. And to the left is the front door. The front area, which looks just like this. Great. My very quick review of this room at first glance is really looks amazing, to be honest. It looks clean. It looks new in terms of everything inside. And I'm looking forward to staying here. One more look.